Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free without using a USB device and without losing any of your files or app. Open your favorite browser, search for Windows 11 download. Open Windows 11 or Microsoft website. Download Windows 11. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Then confirm. Here select your language. This step is so important. Open your system you want to install Windows 11. Right click on this PC, come to Properties. Here search for language setting. It is United States for me. Here choose your language the same with your Windows. Confirm it and complete the download. When you download Windows 11, double click on Windows 11 or right click select month. Here you will see setup. Double click on setup. Click on yes. You will see this Windows 11 logo. Just wait a few moments. In this step, next, we are getting a few things ready. Checking your PC. If you get this error, follow this step. Close it. Now open this PC. Here you will see this pop-up. It is drive E for me. Remember the drive name. Open CMD. Here select your drive. It was E for me. Hit enter. In this step you need to write this comment. This comment is available on the description. You can write and also you can copy and paste here. Copy it and right click here. Hit enter. You will see this pop-up message. Yes. Wait a few moments. The installation is start. Install Windows Server. Don't worry, it is not Windows Server, it is normal Windows. Next. This step will take a few moments. Applicable notice and lessons. Accept. This step is so important. Choose what to keep. Here we have three options. Keep files, settings and apps. It means you will keep everything, you don't lose anything. With second option, keep personal files only. It means your files will remain, the other setting will remove. Nothing, it means you want clean install. I recommend select the first one. You can install without losing any file. Next. It will take a few moments. It will update everything from Windows 11 ISO. Ready to install. Install. Now it is finished. We install without any problem. Guys, if you get any problem, write in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel. Have a good time. See you on the next video.